through Movera and Colbert, and then provide the LLM graph the pre-ranked data that it needs to take during ingestion. Yes?
What functionality?
Yeah.
What functionality would this give that you couldn't get out of using LLM with Obsidian?
Yeah, so for example, I heard you earlier with Obsidian is, we consolidate all of the information. You don't ever need to check or think how you're writing your Obsidian or Markdown files. I don't care anymore about, like, if you were to go through my computer, it's like the messiest mess you'd ever see. Like, you would be disgusted, because at this point, I just don't care. You'll just search it, find it, and, kind of carry, that's one. The other one is the consolidated knowledge part, right? Over time, where it actually updates the knowledge based on preferences, etc., which can be achieved with Obsidian, don't get me wrong. There is a lot of really, really cool things out there, like GBrain, really good Obsidian stacks. They take time, right? It's just kind of like, do you want to build a Ferrari and then drive it, or do you just want to drive the Ferrari? I think at that point it's very optional. Yes? No, yeah, sorry.
I was going to ask, do you connect with like previous session memories with Claude and Codex, or is it just, I guess, starts when you connect with it?
No, we actually do, but there is a cap, right? So we help with like a cold start problem, but we can only go about 20 to 30 days backwards, which is basically what an agent has in logs of conversation that before it gets deprecated. So I hate the concept of anything memory that says it gets better over time as you use it. I'm like, that sounds like a horrible product. It's like, it sucks now, it'll be good tomorrow. So my goal was like, how is it good today and then really freaking awesome tomorrow? So we do a cold start kind of take on it. Yes?
Just curious, are you able to do different sessions with your persistent memory, or is it just an umbrella for everything? Can you silo off?
Great question. So the way it works is you create agents, like memory agents, think of them as buckets. Each one of them has an API key or multiple API keys, so you can split them completely. The MCP allows you to do a per project based setup or global. So if a project doesn't have a specific key, it just falls back to kind of like your global memory. Or you can do a per project and then that gets siloed to that specific agent. So if you are, like a consultant and you have different streams of work that you just don't want to get like polluted, you can just keep them completely compartmentalized.